This handsome ProLink CBX is ready to go home. Welcome to RestoCycle. So we saw this bike earlier, I think, when it came in. This is an 82 CBX with pretty low miles. Still needed plenty of refurbishment to get tip-top, but it is now. Nice Corbin seat. We had some paint problems on that gas tank, but that has been remedied along with some paint problems up here and a smudge on my nice paint. The knuckle here was popped as they get. That's all set now. The fork got the whole RaceTech treatment. New brake lines, brake calipers rebuilt, fork rebuilt with the whole RaceTech internals as prior. Didn't need too much in here. The carburetor's got the full Monty and a new set of Honda insulators in here. Also, of course, a valve adjustment and new gaskets. It's got Dyna ignition and coils. Everything was, of course, tuned and tested and measured. These swing arms are problematic on these old ProLinks. So we go in here and take them apart and make sure that all the bushings are no longer frozen stuck. The exhaust had some rot on the bottom, so unfortunately we had to go raid one of our own to get this bike on its way. We'll replace it. It actually came off of that ProLink of ours, but I think we're going to turn that into some crazy hot rod, so it's okay. I have one of these myself. It's really a great bike. Alternator got the full service, is now putting out ample voltage for our heated grips, among other things. Those of you that saw this bike as it was coming in, the cockpit got a pretty full refurbishment. We refurbed the whole gauge cluster and put new cushions on the gauges. Everything here was painted or powder coated, and we swapped those fork caps for these preload adjustable ones that we really like. Up here on top in the fairing, you're going to see a thermometer. Is that what that was? Yeah, a thermometer was swapped in for the altimeter that was on the bike. I spent 4 hours putting that thing in there. What a total pain in the neck. Yeah, that was a pain in the neck. Ready to go. Really nice starter. I think that's a function of the perfect clean carburetors. Of course, everything's adjusted within a gnat's ass, but also the coil bypass and the ignition, it's just completely dialed. Yes, going home tomorrow on time. Very happy customer.